In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply presets in Lightroom Mobile. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find presets, how to preview them, and how to dial in just the right intensity before saving your edit. Start by opening Lightroom on your phone or tablet. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so your edits and presets sync properly across devices. Give the app a moment to load your library, then tap the photo you want to work on to open it in the editor. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the editing toolbar. If presets isn't immediately visible, swipe along the toolbar to the right until you find the presets icon, which looks like two overlapping circles, and tap it. This opens the presets panel where all your looks are organized for quick access. At the top of this panel, there's a category drop-down menu. Tap it to browse different groups of presets. Recommended shows AI-generated suggestions tailored to your specific photo, which is great when you want a head start that matches the content and lighting. Premium includes built-in professional filters from Adobe, offering polished, versatile looks that work across many styles. Yours contains everything you've created, favorited, or imported from elsewhere, typically listed under user presets. If you've built a signature look or downloaded a set you love, this is where you'll find it. Once you're in a category, tap any preset name to see an instant live preview on your image. There's no commitment yet. This is just to audition the look. Take a moment to try a few. Even small differences can dramatically change the mood, so compare options until one suits your photo's style and lighting. After you've chosen a preset, tap the preset thumbnail again to reveal the amount slider. This is your finesse control. Drag left to soften the effect or right to make it stronger. Subtle adjustments often feel more natural, especially with skin tones and scenes with mixed lighting. Move the slider slowly and watch the image as you go. Aim for a look that enhances the photo without overpowering it. When you're happy with the result, tap the checkmark labeled Done to save the preset application. Lightroom edits are non-destructive, so you can always revisit the preset panel later and try something different without losing your original image. That's it. Open your photo, head to presets, choose a category, preview a look, fine-tune the amount, and confirm. With a little practice, presets can speed up your workflow and keep your images consistent while still giving you room to personalize each edit.